Hey guys, how are you? So, I am going to be doing my hair because I have a little bit of rootage. I have like almost an inch, I would say, of rootage, and my ends are really washed out. So I wanted to do a review on a product that I've been wanting to try. I'm honestly really nervous about it because I couldn't find a single review on the color I want. So the product I'm wanting to try out is the Keracolor Color Depositing Conditioner. And there are a ton of reviews out there, but none for the shade that I want, which is like the copper shade. And it's the shade that like redheads or gingers would use if they want to like freshen up their ends and like make their hair a little more lively without like applying color on their ends, which is kind of like what I'm trying to avoid. I usually use like a ammonia-free demi gloss on my ends, but that's a little bit of work and it's kind of expensive, so I thought I would try a color depositing conditioner that's not made by me, because I do make them and like it works all right, but I mean, it's work and you have to use it within a certain amount of time or it doesn't work. And anyway, I really want to try this, so I'll make myself the guinea pig. I'm gonna put out the first actual YouTube review on this. Let's see what happens. Because I do have rootage and this will do nothing to my dark roots. I'm gonna do my roots with my usual. So I'm gonna be applying my Schwarzkopf Agora hair color in the level or shade 777, which is the copper blonde, with a 20 volume developer to my roots only, not touching my ends. Once I'm done doing that, once my hair's nice and clean, I'm gonna come out and apply this on camera and leave it on for the amount of time that I'm supposed to, or whatever it says on the back, and then we'll see whether this is a win and this is awesome, or whether this is a fail and I'll have to hide my hair in like a hat for a month. So, I'm nervous. Okay, so I have a t-shirt I don't care about on, and I just did my roots. So as you can see, they're a little brighter than the rest of my hair. It's not even that bad. I had never actually like done my roots separate from my hair, but it's not terrible. I'm actually gonna put gloves on before starting with this, just in case it does stain. Okay, so I was reading the directions on this, and apparently you just saturate your hair with it and you brush your hair so it's evenly saturated, and you leave it on for about 20 minutes and then you rinse. This is supposed to be a shampoo and a conditioner in one. So in a perfect world, I would have just wet my hair and applied this, but because I had rootage, I went ahead and I did my roots. So I have shampooed and conditioned my hair already. But I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this for the color depositing benefits, not for the cleansing benefit. But if you wanted to use this instead of your shampoo and conditioner about once a week, well, not once a week, but like once a month or however long like you go. I don't know how fast everyone's hair washes out. I guess you could use that way. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply mine from like here down. I'm afraid it'll make my roots brighter. Looks a little redder and less orange than what I'm used to seeing, so it does smell really good. This feels just like conditioner on my hair. Okay, so this feels and smells really nice in my hair. I'm gonna give it 30 minutes, not 20, just because it's set to saturate your hair. And mine was beyond saturated, like it was straight out of the shower, and I want it to penetrate for just a little longer. I want to make sure it's as bright as my roots. Just because my root color is actually permanent color and this isn't. So anyway, I'll be back in 30 minutes. And then, so anyway, I'm gonna leave it in for 30 minutes and then I'm gonna let it air dry. I've been trying to grow out my hair, so I'm avoiding like heat and stuff like that. So we'll see what it looks like when it's fully dry. Okay, so it's been a couple hours. I'm truly shocked. I left it on for 30 minutes and then I just went back into the shower and I just rinsed it out. No shampoo, no conditioner, nothing. And look at that. It is honestly brighter than my roots, than the area here where I obviously did with actual permanent color. So maybe next time I will leave it on for 20 minutes instead of 30. But it doesn't, honestly, it doesn't bother me that my roots are a little lighter than my ends now, because I feel like it's more natural that way. I feel like you can really tell a fake redhead from a real redhead because her roots are like bright as fuck in comparison to her ends. So, let me see. I'm actually super surprised. My hair feels really soft. The product smelled really nice. I will definitely be using that again. Maybe I'll try using it every couple weeks once I'm seeing my hair start to fade instead of just when I do my roots. I'm afraid of using it too often because it may like build up on my hair and may get really dark and then I'll have to wait for it to fully wash out. But anyway, really love the product. It was maybe $23 on Amazon, so it's not crazy expensive. And for as easy as it was to apply, how good my hair feels and how effective it actually was, I think it's worth every single penny. But anyway, I'm gonna go to bed now and I'll see you next time hopefully.